Hi guys, welcome back to another video guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first video guys, you know what to do here. Subscribe, smash a like on the video and drop a comment guys. So I have not done one of these videos in a while, which is a superstore shopping video. So cost of living in Canada is so expensive right now. Cost of goods and services is through the roof. Where we just came to Canada, things was like probably half or quarter the amount what it's costing right now. So we're going into superstore. We have done a couple superstore videos on our channel, but we haven't done a recent one in probably a past year and so. So we're gonna do an updated one. We're doing our full grocery shopping tonight, so you guys can see exactly not only that what we're eating on our house, but also what it's gonna cost. Alright guys, so follow it. We're going into superstore. Hopefully it don't cost us an arm and a leg. See you guys inside. Yeah guys, so in case you guys are here for the first time, let me just introduce ourselves to you guys. My name is Dems, Jamaican living in Grande, Prairie, Alberta. And this right here beside me, beautiful wife Nats, also from Jamaica, living in Grande Prairie, Alberta. And we have two beautiful girls, that's Malika right here. And this right here is Malia, trying to push our sister out the cart. Yeah, that's exactly what you're doing. Good, well going. I almost never recognize him. Well going, bro. Bless up. I almost never recognize him, man. Yeah. Yeah. Are your son? Yeah. Our baby son. Yeah, far from being a baby. In going to turn in a grandmother already. Exactly. I don't have a baby son not. One time I think I went to the restaurant. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I'm pushing. Are you driving on step truck every morning for me or something? Step truck. Vitamins for her, Malia.
Drops.
Let me see. How much for it? $11.24.
Malika regular.
Vitamin for this little. Hey, don't put that in the mouth, guys. Not even joking. I'm seeing some prices here that is way more expensive than what it used to be. If you guys are in Canada, guys, comment right down below and let me know like what is the cost of goods where you are living.
I'm here trying to find the clearance section because I'm not spending not a lot of money today. So I'm trying to see if I see any deals in the clearance section from Malika. Yeah, $6. These are close. Mittens, beers. No, it's probably in clearance section for kids there.
Clearance section for kids?
Yeah. I know the clearance section for my
It's a clearance right here, so.
Where?
The clearance.
Oh, these are adult clearance. Yes.
I'm guessing all of the churches are clearance. Maybe. What pajamas?
Pajamas.
Stuff with nobody no
I
want
really
again.
want, you know.
Yeah.
I want a pajama. Call up sleeves. Boy sleeves. So that's it. No clearance.
No clearance for kids.
They have clearance for me. Not already. $22. Nope. But you are looking cheaper. $28. Nope.
So tell me something now. Why not put the tangerine in a basket to charge your extra fee basket?
In a
Did you tell them
basket.
say one basket?
Where basket there?
Up on the back of it?
Yeah.
Come on, say. Would it? Did we say we want basket?
But yeah, it's a family.
She love our fruits. You're right. There's chance one or chance two. All of them green babes. I'm gonna pick up this one. Wait for it to ripe. Guys, this is my favorite thing in Jamaica. By far. Babes?
Yeah.
I put it on a bleach pan here. $4. You just taking up green pepper or taking up the red and yellow as well? And orange. Why not just take up one of them back? Or it's not worth it? $5.70. Irish for a boss man there. Sweet peppers.
Sweet pepper.
Yeah, cook. You're done there. Feel like saying I go to the kitchen. Yeah, cook.
You're the one cooking.
Huh?
You're the one cooking.
Banana and pineapple. The pine was so sweet the other day. This pine is so small. This pineapple is so small, babes. $4. But it was so sweet the other day. Guys, show them pineapple to take. Show them pineapple to take this. Which one? This one? Okay. Wait, no, babes. You can't put that cards. And coconut or coconut milk. Did it make a difference the other day when we used the real coconut? Never taste the difference. Okay. $4 for one coconut I drop off a tree at Jamaica. What about lettuce and green onion or scallion? The apples are the next one to spoil really quickly. Probably need to put them in the fridge. The apple. Got them spoil really quickly. You want to go on the other side? That is girl. That is girl. When time is not eating time. I'm just gonna grab one of these bags. for now, 97. 2.27 kgs. Not bad. I'm gonna be just pushing it. Is there any time right here? Why are the shelves so empty? Shelves are so empty. Do you want some broccoli? Come on, bag this. Please. Oh, want potato too, right?
One with stem or one without?
The one without the stem. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Leaning up on sister. What were we getting? Beetroots? Can I see? That's why they taste so fresh. Cause they're not dirty. One of my Jamaicans have dirty for have the sweet taste. This way, yeah. But we haven't looked over there so yet though. On the shelf. Joshy, huh? That's Adam. Josh, I know you're watching this video, Josh. You need to teach me how to make the pasta. I'm not buying the mushroom right now because the last time I buy it, the pasta spoiled. You're laughing. The pasta spoiled. Oh, is that supposed to be sugar cane? Canada, come on, man. The cane dry. Backside, what the cane dips. Let me see. I'll go closer. Look at this. Look at this. Sugar cane ish. I don't know what is. What's that? Or they have the cleaner one. You want pop chow? Bok choy. This is baby bok choy. Oh, the regular one, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Take up two of them. Hey, Malika, sister's right beside her. Calm down, man. Let's do this together. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Oh, you get quiet now. So like, comment and subscribe if you're liking the vlog so far. Yeah. So far so good. So far so good, guys. We got a piece of pear up there, so when I get garlic. Garlic smells so nice, babes. Smell it? I'm taking two of this one. Two of this. One for 77 cents. We haven't had okra in a while. Should we? We have fish.
Yeah.
Can take up some okra right here. Okra is right beside the what? Chocha. Spoil. Change the mind. Eggplant. We don't like eggplant. Ginger. Why am I singing? Two little ducks came back. Which ones these potatoes are we taking?
The regular ones.
What time are we doing?
No.
For $9. This was like for $5 a month. And this was like for $3 something. Guys, this was like for $3, $4 most. No, $7. 2 times the amount. Crazy. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
It's so nice. I don't know why
I can't smell nothing. Cabbage.
Want to get her?
Yeah.
I want to the one that moving from the 10 to 10 to one part.
Two different flavors.
I want flavor.
It's not one flavor there. You realize two different color blue. Different shade of blue.
Fun Ben.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't help it. This hamburger was actually nice.
This cranberry?
Was
Yeah, it
actually
was
nice.
actually nice. See, so for Florida.
Yeah. Take 3 of this too?
A 10 for 10?
10 for 10?
Yeah. And ginger ale.
What about these noodles? 10 for 20.
10 for 10? You sure?
Yeah.
8 night?
Yeah, night.
Yeah, take out that's
Yeah.
it.
10 for 10.
And ginger ale.
One ginger ale, just one.
We have 3 Gatorade.
Hey, the people them throw the Pringles. Look how much Pringles left. Must be 5 Pringles. Look how much other sitting there left.
How it is?
I don't know.
Coffee.
What's a 1 ginger ale?
You can take one.
Okay, that's that. What's in the side? You don't know how it is. You don't know what time it is. It's no name. You know what time it is. Sardine. 3. Huh? Malia, leave the pasta. Any spam or anything? Don't like spam? Yeah, it's really salty. Let's get some baked bean. Original. 3. What's that? What? No. Watch yourself, Bibbs.
Oh, you're good. Do what you're gonna do. I'm not in a rush. Thank you.
Sure. What is that? Is that rice?
Right. No
Huh?
need. Well, I'm green, but you have a small basket. $10.
Medium blue rice.
Well, they're gonna everything.
Let's get some sugar. Oh, we bought flour the other day. Yeah. We don't need any flour. Sugar. $5.48. I know that we need onion powder. And need some Maggi seasoning. You know what? Try to twist up, Malia, go squeeze. Go squeeze.
Never thought about bobo squeeze. I know we're going to pull up on this.
Check it up.
Yes, I will see.
Mixed flavor one. Reason core flavor one. That can make you see what we have. I hide it from your mommy. Mince meat. Our chicken get dairy, man. Why don't feed them bird?
I didn't get feeding.
$20, like lucky never get no feeding. $20 for them chicken, guys. One of these chicken is for $20. Whoa, that's crazy. Friend?
$27.
$27. Malika, straight now. Do you want us to take up the 3 chicken for $50 something? 3 chicken for $55. Huh? Hey, you remember when in a Costco it was $30 something for 3 chicken? And here too? Guys, 3 bird, $52. That bears man, take care of them. $52 that's it. That's crazy. And the bacon? No, are you not my going bacon? And the shrimp? Guys, we're laughing because we have a story about the shrimp, but it's all good. Oh man, and the prawns? But this one is beef, not chicken. Not really. Alright people love them chicken back. That's not chicken back, because Nat said she eats so much chicken back when she was growing up. So she don't eat chicken back anymore. And I never love chicken back from her now. Not because I have anything against it, but I'm a meat guy. I don't like bone. The oxen. $13 for that sachet. But nonetheless, let's just show you this, guys, because I'm going to end up taking up a piece of goat here. Stewing goats. $21. You feel like say it's cheaper than a black man butcher or not? Not really. Probably the same price. Do some goat curry. I don't want to, you know the liver. Yeah. A beef flavor bitter. What time would you taste it? Remember we tried to taste the beef flavor one time? So bitter. I took a piece of tripe, you know. Then I want. All this was like for $3, $4. Oh, this reached $9. Jesus, man, how am I going then? Guys, as you can see, the card kind of get too heavy right now. What's that? The frozen pineapple? See? Banana, that's like definitely smoothie. Okay, onion short, $12. Guys, you don't have to come deal with it until we got a cashier, you know. We know the bill already, babes. Children, I had that. Probably a little bit more. We need butter, because we only small something of butter. What's that? You like it? The one that I did?
The one that we bought.
And I did it? That's the one you liked?
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't like it. I thought that you were talking about the time at the Christmas dinner.
No, not that.
That's why I'm gonna ask if the one that I did. Yeah. No. I didn't like it. We still have egg in the freezer. We have cream cheese already. You don't even know what it is. Almond.
I don't know what it is.
Ah, Malia. It's alright, then we're gonna recycle it. Just gonna put it somewhere. Sure. You want the one in the jar, the bigger one? Do you think this one up here make more sense or not? Is that a new flavor?
What?
The orange one there?
Fine.
Is there a kiss?
Hey, we have yogurt, Mama.
Catch some.
Hati.
Catch atalay. Father.
Yeah. And then milk.
Just put it right there. Yeah, guys, as you guys can tell, we are back home now. Who won the bet? Actually, Nats won the bet, guys. It actually came to $365, which It's not bad considering the amount of stuff that we got, right? We got quite a few stuff. And the good thing with Superstore, every time we spend more than $300, we get a free gift. So we got a box of oats and stuff like that. So that was awesome. Right, guys, I really hope that you guys enjoy the vlog. I really hope that you guys kind of get an idea of what groceries like cost wise. Of course, it depends on where you are in Canada. Things might be a little bit more cheaper, or it also might be a little bit more expensive, right? Keep that into mind, right? Now, it depends also on what you are buying. As you guys can see, we are pretty basic. We always say this in most of our shopping vlogs. We are pretty much basic, so pick up pretty much the same things every time. If you guys pick up stuff that are more, I'd say prestigious, it might be a little bit more expensive. Or if you guys pick up some stuff might be a little bit cheaper as well. Alright guys, so Anna came to $365. So Nats won the bet. She don't get anything, by the way. She just get bragging rights. What? You never put up a wager. That because you're never confident. That's the thing.
I was confident.
Yeah?
I just didn't put up a wager.
Yes guys, so came to $365. Not bad. Actually we were budgeting $400. How long does this usually last? Some stuff lasts longer than some stuff might last a couple weeks, while some stuff done within a week. It depends, but on and all we do grocery shopping like every 2 weeks, roughly. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Smash a like on the video guys, really helps us out as well. And drop a comment. Nat's just doing some unpacking down there. Not some Malia, sorry. Doing some unpacking down there. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video, alright? Now that you got it out, what are you gonna do with it? Huh? Now that you got it out, what are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna cook it? Malia, you're moving like a mice in the house. That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. Yeah.